Just like I promised, I'm back. This is the assess of chapter 9. It's very quick and easy, page 121. I want to do some of question 3 because it's grade D. Alright, so approximate values, write down an approximate answer to the following. Don't be frightened by this. It goes 9.99 squared. Well, that's roughly 10 squared, from which we're going to get 100. Is that alright? Now look at this one. It looks a little bit baffling, doesn't it? It's the cube root of minus 126. Well, you should know by now that 5 times 5 times 5 makes 125. So we're approximately looking at the cube root of minus 125. Now, here's the question. Is it 5 or is it minus 5? Let's test it out. Well, let's have a look. 5 times 5 times 5 is definitely 125, and oops, 125 I said, but we're looking for minus 125, so therefore the answer has to be that. But let me prove to you why it's true. Minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5. Okay, so far minus 5 times minus 5 is ordinary positive 25. And then I'm going to come along and multiply by minus 5 again because it says so, and 25 times 5 is 125, but it's negative because of the minus on the 5. Yeah, 25 times minus 5 is minus 125. So the correct answer is that one, and I've just proved it there. Right, so that's that. Some of question 5, just a few. It's just writing as a single power really. So look at this one. Look at this one. What's the error there? The temptation is to write 7 to the power of 5 because you can't see anything there. Well, the truth is there's a power of 1 sitting there, otherwise the 7 wouldn't even be there, would it? So actually the answer is, and that was a deliberate mistake on my part, 5 plus 1 is 6. Is that alright? So in algebra you won't see the 1 there. You will not see it at all. It will just be 7. You're supposed to understand that it's sitting there to the power of 1. 5 plus the invisible 1 makes 6. Right. Remember, dividing powers, 21 to the power of 7, don't have to work it out, divided by 21 to the power of 5, simply subtract the powers, 21 to the power of 2, 7 take away 5 is 2, and that's all I want to do with that one. Question 6, find the value of, in other words, literally work it out. Now, I've got 3 squared multiplied by 4 squared, well that's going to be 9 times 16. Let me just work it out quickly like this. 9 6 is 54, I think. 9 1s is 9 plus 4. 5 is that, I believe. Yeah, so 144. Nice. Or is it 56? No, it's 54. That's good. Next one. Find the value of 5 to the power of 3 divided by 5 to the power of 2. Well, 3 take away 2 is 1. In other words, 5. And I've got it straight away. Now look at this little next, let's just turn over, give it a fresh page. This looks disgusting. 6 to the power of 5, you think, oh my goodness, I can't work it out. Don't panic, times 6 to the power of 3, and then divide that by 6 to the power of 4. Don't be condensed in trying to work these out. Look what it says. 6 to the power of 5 times 6 to the power of 3, then divide by 6 to the power of 4. Simplify the top bit. 6 to the power of 8 divided by 6 to the power of 4. Well, that's going to give us, what's going to give us that? That's going to give us 6 to the power of 4 because 8 take away 4 is 4. Now we simply have to find the value of 6 to the power of 4. Well, 6 times 6 is 36, and another 6 times 6 is 36. If I multiply these, I've got 6 to the power of 4. So here I go. I can't be too picky about this one. Okay, 6 6s 36, 6 3s 18, 19, 20, 21. That's 6, 36 is done. Drop a 0. 3 6s 18, 3 3s and 9 plus 1 is 10. Add up that jolly little lot. 6, 9, 2, 1. Therefore, 6 to the power of 4 is going to be 1296. I just want to check out my calculator to be absolutely sure because I'm going quite quickly. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 equals 1296. Very, very good. I'm happy with that. And while I'm at it, may as well check 9 times 6 because I hate the 9 times table. Yeah, 54. I'm happy. Right, what else we got? Question 6D is worth doing. Right, 10 to the power of 8 times 10 to the power of 7, again whole heap of zeros, 10 to the power of 7 times 10 to the power of 6. Now you can combine the powers top and bottom if you want to, or you can say 10 to the power of 7 divided by 10 to the power of 7 is 1. Don't bother. And I'm left with 10 to the power of 8 upstairs divided by 10 to the power of 6 downstairs. Remember, take away the powers. 10 to the power of 2, and to our great relief the answer is 100, and that's all there is to it. And that's all I want to do really, because the exam style question is just boringly easy. Do it yourself if you want to. I certainly won't set it in class, you don't need to bother with that. That's it. If it works for numbers, it's going to work for letters. When you multiply with powers, you add them. When you divide with powers, you subtract them. If you've got a power trapped within a bracket, such as, I don't know, 6 to the power of 4, then I want you to cube it. That means 6 to the power of 4 times 6 to the power of 4 times 6 to the power of 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Or better still, take these little friends here and multiply them. So 6 to the power of 12 is your answer, and hopefully you'll be asked to actually work out or evaluate the value of 6 to the power of 12. That'll be just disgusting. Right, end of topic 9. Go and revise. I'm going to study topic 10 very soon.